Quantifiers are special words that express quantity. They answer questions like how much or how many. The main quantifiers are some, any, much, many, a few, and a little. These words help us talk about amounts clearly and correctly. Countable nouns can be counted one by one like apples, books, cars. You can say 1 apple, 2 books. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted like water, money, time. You cannot say 1 water or 2 monies. This difference is very important for using quantifiers correctly. Use some in positive sentences. I have some apples. There is some water. Use any in questions and negative sentences. Do you have any books? I do not have any money. Some means a small amount that exists. Any asks if something exists or says nothing exists. Use much with uncountable nouns in questions and negatives. How much water do you need? I do not have much time. Use many with countable nouns in questions and negatives. How many books do you have? There are not many apples left. Never use much or many in positive sentences. A few goes with countable nouns and means a small number. I have a few apples. A few students came. A little goes with uncountable nouns and means a small amount. There is a little milk. I have a little time left. Both show positive small amounts. A lot of works with both countable and uncountable nouns in positive sentences. A lot of books. A lot of water. Plenty of also works with both and means a large amount. Plenty of time. Plenty of food. Both show large quantities comfortably available. Use numbers for exact amounts. 1 book, 3 apples, 10 chairs. Use quantifiers for approximate amounts. Some books, many apples, a few chairs. Numbers give precise counts. Quantifiers give general ideas about quantity without exact numbers. For countable nouns, use many, few, a few, several, some, any, a lot of, plenty of. For uncountable nouns, use much, little, a little, some, any, a lot of, plenty of. Always match the quantifier to the noun type. This matching makes your English correct and clear. Practice helps you remember quantifiers. There is little hope. I have no idea. The few friends are loyal. I spent the little money on food. I do not have much money. Do you have any regrets? Read these sentences aloud to practice the correct quantifiers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.